Everything about this is just perfect. This is my cinnamon swirl apple cider donut bun cake, which yes, is a mouthful in more ways than one. Made with Olipop's crisp apple flavor to give it the perfect apple essence, just like an apple cider donut, and also help the rise of the cake to make it extra soft and fluffy. You get that beautiful, warming brown sugar cinnamon swirl in every single bite, and topped with gooey spiced apples. It's so cozy, and every bite just feels like a warm little hug. This is honestly always the most nerve-wracking part. Oh my gosh. That's beautiful. This is just melted butter and apple cider warmed up together, and we're gonna douse the whole thing. Yes.